What's up YouTube? So today we're back here with another video. Today we are going to be working on the my daily, the Hyundai Veloster, and we're going to be putting a banner on it, a windshield banner. I mean, if you want to watch, stick through the whole video and we'll see where this goes. Got a homie pulling through. He's gonna help out. What's up, Daniel?
What's up, bitch?
What's up, bitch?
Ayan, adobo.
You're so cute.
Saan yung isang, what, banner? How do you say that in Philippines?
I don't know. Perfect.
If you plan on getting recon, they're gonna tell you to take them on, you know.
Perfect.
That's totally street legal right there, dog.
You're street legal.
I'm always street legal. If anything, I'm illegal, dog.
I knew it. Okay, so the first step. What's the first step, Daniel?
First step is you take the acetone and you shove it up your beehole.
I don't have a beehole. Yeah, so we're gonna use
Acetone.
We're gonna clean it with ass.
Put this on. You gotta clean it up first. Disrespect, man. Scrap. What's up? Are we gonna cut it and then put it on, or put it on and then cut it?
Put it on, then cut it.
You're such a slut.
Daniel, stop being a slut, I said.
I'm so dirty.
Put in work.
You like that? Car wash?
Yes. I knew you're a slut. Sponsor us, Best Buy. Sponsor us.
Best Buy.
Okay. Here's the hard part now. Actually putting it on. Sup, you feckies.
Bingo, Yahtzee. We about to put this on.
So we gotta peel it off first. And then... yeah.
Watch us mess up on this, yeah? Just peeling off.
Never clean them good. Kidding off. Daniel's fault.
Look at that big smear right there, too. Put it on there. Yeah, that's what I like to see. Oh, yeah. Look. Oh, it's so hot, actually. I'm wearing the wrong clothes for this.
It's pretty hot.
Thank you.
Not you.
I messed up.
Now let's peel it off.
Do the honors.
Should we like at least measure where the center is or eyeball it?
Maybe we can eyeball it.
Yes, eyeball it then.
Yeah. Allah.
Gotta help me out. Put aside.
Put aside, okay. Okay, daddy. Ayan. Sinigang.
Long.
Like me.
That's what she said.
Okay, you can put them on yourself, huh?
Put it fucking.
How about we, hold them up like this?
That's it. Whoa, it's gonna touch, bro. Okay, is that center?
That's why I don't know. You need a third person.
That looks center to me. Oh fuck.
You know what we can do?
Ah!
Oh shit! Oh no!
Oh shit!
Oh!
Oh fuck! Shit!
Oh, it's touching, dude.
Oh shit, Daniel! Oh, this is a fail already. Oh, it's a fail already. Freaking Daniel! Freaking Daniel! Oh, it's ruined already. Oh shit! Oh, that's it already.
Still can, dog.
Still can.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I didn't do anything though. What did I do?
Okay, wait. We're gonna try again.
Oh my
Hold
god.
What a fail. So, I think we came to a conclusion.
We need 3 people for this, dog.
I'm just gonna order another one.
Okay, I'm clocking out. I'm going home, dog.
Clocking out. You still get your uniform on.
I know, I'm breaker already.
This thing is freaking sticky. There's still hope.
Yeah.
You think so? There's still hope.
How long does it take for it to come in? When is the next one?
It took like a week.
Damn.
It's okay, it was only like $20. You missed
this is so
you,
fail,
you
bro.
missed the spot.
Nah, that's good. Aerodynamic.
Oh, done then. Ooh, check out that banner, guys. Ooh, since it's still here, we still try and put it on.
Try and put it on. Look at this shit.
Like that. Try and put it on like that.
Oh my god.
Might as well. Get my money's worth. Ready? This is me trying to make it work.
Yeah. Still can, uncle. Look at that. Oh, there goes $20 down the drain. Okay, so what actually happened was we had both sides all prepped up. The middle started sagging down, and then it just kind of messed up the whole thing because it's hella sticky.
Not even, it's not messed up.
I mean, JDM as hell. Look at that.
Don't even know what this.
Well, at least the battle's still intact. You know what I mean?
Ready for the rollers.
Ready for the rollers, he said. Here we go. This is it.
I can't see you.
Gucci. Oh, scraping on the driveway. Oh, did you see that? What the hell? What is that? One time for the one time, he said. Let's make it happen. Battlestar or Battle Scar? That is a big banner. Oh my gosh. The scrape. The scrape.
Like this.
JDM as hell, dog. JDM as hell. Yeah, rock on it up. Come on, side.
It's pretty shame. Oh,
bro. Shit. This honestly sucks.
I don't care, to be honest.
Damn. You're hot. What is it, like 88 degrees outside right now? It's freaking...
Bro, it's like Daniel degrees outside.
I know, my ball sack is like
I wish I had that.
sweating.
So what should we do now?
You shouldn't have sex.
Turn up, turn up. I mean, if you look at this side, it's not too bad. And you get to this side. Oh. 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 It's okay, at least Daniel's car looks nice.
My car is not nice.
Damn.
Wait, we'll put this on my car.
You're not down. Sorry.
Yeah. There you go.
I'm gonna just step back real quick.
This is a unique banner. Get it from, what site did you get it from?
eBay.
eBay. Yeah, I mean, spent like 20 bucks on this banner. So, it looks like this in the picture, so I tried my best to match it. This car's got about 300 horsepower now because of that banner. It's pretty sick. I'm proud. You want me to model for this?
Yeah, model. Ooh.
It's hot.
You're hot. Oh, wow.
I think I just scratched my hood.
I think I just fell in love with you. Wow, 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 wow. So, Daniel, how do you think today went?
Pretty shitty.
I think it went pretty good. Alright, any final words for the people at home?
For the people at home, make sure there's more than 2 people when you're installing a banner. Because clearly we haven't done it right.
Hey, it's also our first time, okay?
Yeah, it is, but it's supposed to be easy.
You're supposed to be easy.
I'm always easy.
Here we go again.
One last time.
Alright, so that was a short video for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully next time we don't mess up. Bye, Daniel.
sinigang, 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 sinigang. Di ka Filipino citizen kung di ka kumakain ng sinigang. Kung kumakain ka ng sinigang, yo, ikaw ay pure Filipino gang. Sinigang, 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 mas masarap sa adobo man.